Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video, I'm giving you the 2022 cutoff for NBE Diploma for mop-up round for all the 8 branches for different categories. So the video will be very useful because once you participate in MCC counseling and for government seats, okay, or DNB, so in case you fail to get government seat in clinical branches or DNB seat in clinical branches, then your next option is to get a diploma seat, because this diplomas, all the diploma courses in 8 different branches have the eligibility for post diploma common entrance test, DNB PDCET, and after that you can do secondary DNB, which will be equivalent to 3 years DNB course. So you need to spend one more year, but you will get a degree course. Okay, so for radio branch, the cutoff for general category in mop-up round was 15,458, and for OBC it was 17,583. For EWS is 14,500. For OBGY, that is DGO branch, was available up to rank of 34,832. In OBC up to 34,743. In EWS up to 40,655. Whereas DCH, the closing rank is more or less same for DGO and DCH. DCH was available up to rank of 34,662 for general category, and for OBC category it's 35,941. For EWS category is 37,786. Then diploma in TB and chest was available up to rank of 34,017. In OBC 34,288. In EWS 34,347. Diploma in ophthalmology, ENT, anesthesia and family medicine, it went beyond 50,000, and ophthalmology was available up to rank of 66,000 for general, and for OBC is 72,000, and for EWC it went up to 1,10,000 rank. In ENT it was available up to 65,607. For OBC 72,634, and EWS up to just qualifying score. Anesthesia got close up to rank of around 60,000 for general, 61,000 for OBC, and 99,000 for EWS. Whereas family medicine was the last branch to get closed in general category. 78,674 was the cutoff rank for general category candidates. For OBC 83,179, and for EWS is 1,24,000. So in case you have just qualifying a score, also in EWS category you can expect diploma branch. Okay, for our guidance and all, you can contact us on 9319128677, our WhatsApp, and you must subscribe this channel to get all such videos. I have already posted the videos for All India quota 50% and DNB. Okay, so thanks for watching. We will meet again with some more important updates. Until then, goodbye and take care.